World City presents English with Elizabeth, Lesson 7. Hello and welcome to English with Elizabeth. English with Elizabeth is a YouTube channel for people who want to learn English. This is our next video, and today we are in Krakow. Krakow is the second biggest city in Poland, and today I will show you what is going on in Krakow. But before we start, we need a bit of grammar. I will explain you what are people doing in Krakow using present continuous. Present continuous is used to describe what is happening right now, right here, and what are you doing at the moment when you are talking. To make present continuous, you need two verbs. You need the verb to be in present simple, that is am, is, are. And you need the main verb with the ending ing. For example, I am standing. The verb is stand, I add am, and I add ing. And I have I am standing. I am talking. You are listening. They are walking. And now let's start our trip over the central square of Krakow. Some people are sitting near a fountain. Other people are walking. A man is lying on a bench. He is having some rest. The angel is looking at people passing by. Street musicians are playing the accordion. A girl is dancing. A family is riding a Segway. A man is washing his hands. The children are taking photos with a street performer. Other street performers are making balloon toys. Some tourists are having an excursion. They are listening to the guide. Other tourists are buying souvenirs. Some people are going to the church. A lot of people are watching a folk festival. These performers are singing a folk song. And these people are dancing a folk dance. There is a big market in the square today. The sellers are cooking meat. The man is preparing sandwiches. The people are choosing souvenirs. A girl is buying an ice cream. A jazz band is playing music. A woman is choosing a bag. The men are buying local food. People are looking at art. People are having some rest. Children are playing. The men are dancing. A lot of people are watching them. A man is taking a photo of a large statue. Some people are sitting on a monument. A busker is singing a very famous song. I am sure you know it. Imagine all the people, they are faithful today. You may see a pattern dreamer. You don't know the I doing at the Central Square in Krakow? Yes, you're right. I'm making a video for you. But not only. I'm also eating an ice cream. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to English with Elizabeth YouTube channel. Bye.